Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean, moisturized skin because the liquid blends best on a hydrated base. Shake the bottle gently, then pump once onto the back of your hand. This controls dosage. With your fingertip or a small synthetic brush, tap a tiny amount onto high points, cheekbones, brow bone, cupid's bow, so colors read natural in daylight. Once done, use light, upward strokes to spread. This prevents patchiness and keeps the glow seamless. Once the product is placed, pat and blend outward to diffuse edges. This preserves concentrated highlight where you want it. If you need more intensity, add in 1/2 pump increments. Apply, then wait 10-15 seconds so the product levels before adding another layer. Make sure to coordinate with other creams. Mixing with a dewy serum increases luminosity, while pairing with a matte cream will tone it down. These choices change how light reflects, so adjust to the look you want. To finish, set selectively. A light dusting of translucent powder on the T-zone keeps shine under control but leaves the highlight luminous. Hold your setting spray 6/8 from the face and mist once for longevity. If you notice patchiness, don't scrub. Instead, dampen a sponge slightly, press to dissolve edges, then reapply a thin layer. This restores blend without adding bulk. If transfer happens, blot and reapply only the targeted area for a fresh finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.